and Tori are hot on the trail of a commercial tall tale. Can a luxury car traveling at 142 miles per hour beat a falling car in a 4,000-foot race? Carrie, Grant, and Tori are about to test one of Mythbusters' biggest stories ever.
All right, looks like they're over the X. Yeah, looks good.
And here's Grant with the lowdown on their high-flying car drop experiment.
So this is the main event. This is the final experiment, and here is the setup. I will be in the small helicopter controlling the driving car with the remote control link and a remote video link.
I see it now.
Tori will be in the chopper with me, pointing the directional receiver antenna at the car at all times. We'll chase the car down the track as I drive towards the start line. Hit the start line at our top speed of 105 miles an hour. At the same time, Carrie will be in the big chopper, hauling the drop car over to the drop zone.
We're at 4,000 feet and directly above the target zone, ready for the drop.
When we hit the start line, she'll be over the X, she'll release the car, and then we'll see which one gets to the target first.
Speed.
105! Holding 105!
Closing in 3, 2, 1. Release.
Start!
And the race is on.
Here it comes! 105! Holding 105! Here comes the car! Holding 105! Hit the desert! Target's coming up!
That was spectacular, and the result was there for all to see. Unlike the commercial, the falling car hit the ground more than 2 seconds before the driving car crossed the target. And despite being back on the ground, it's quite obvious the team's adrenaline levels are still sky high.
Yes! Yes!
Okay, I'm not going to say, like Luke down the Death Star trench.
You drove across the freaking X!
Thank you! But it was like Luke down the Death Star trench until the X comes out. Yeah! Here it comes. We're in the small helicopter. The car is going. We're trying to get up to speed. I'm like, Grant, how fast are we going now? We're at 40 miles an hour. How fast are we now? 60 miles an hour. We have to get up to 105. The mark is getting closer. We get up to like 90. We're maybe about 1,000 feet away. We get to 105 miles an hour. We hit the mark. The car is released. And I could see the car falling, and I could see the car driving, and then all of a sudden it was like, boom, the car falling hits, and then Grant's car goes over the X. We did it.
I was less excited after my first kiss.
So aside from denting the ego of Carrie's first boyfriend, you could say this experiment went spectacularly well.